Okay, I know that I'm uploading after 3 months, but trust me, this video is a masterpiece. Making a horror game in just 3 days. I can use Unity, Sketchfab, tutorials, and also my friend ChatGPT. Wait, I'm also working on my new game's devlog, so subscribe. Wait. Do you see that rainbow color circling around the subscribe button? It's asking you to subscribe. So I started my day having a fresh breakfast, and after that I played cricket in my... Wait, this is not supposed to be a daily vlog. This is a devlog. So I started my day making my new Unity project, and I found out that now in Unity you could also connect your project from the web.
Oh my god! Wow!
But I didn't have time for that, so I just made a blog. So after that I started to make a small room environment with simple cubes. After that, I made the lighting a little hotter by making the skybox color darker, and I also made a roof for the environment that the environment looks cool. After that, I needed some textures, so I went to CCO Textures, which has really cool textures. They have more than 2,250 textures on their website. So after that, I imported it to my game, and trust me, it looked really cool. But until I realized that I'm a big fat dumb. I didn't even know that how to make the lightning hover. So after that, I started to make it hover. After that, I come up with the result of this. Yeah, it's kind of fine. Next, I imported a first-person shooter from Unity as a store which has all the properties that I needed, and trust me, it was really cool. Next, I fixed some bugs like the bugs in your head from the game and made the game little more horror. I know that this is not that much horror, but until this is a demo, we can stay on this. And then finally, I tried to make a main menu. And after that, I slept over. Next morning when I woke up, I started to work on the environment of the game. I found this free door on Sketchfab, and as always, I imported it to my game. This was perfectly matching. After that, me and my friend ChatGPT tried to add some extra information but failed really bad. Then after wasting 2 hours copying and pasting code from ChatGPT, I just thought let's make a door system like Minecraft. The player would come and the door would disappear. I'm not being dramatic, but the whole day was spent due to this rubbish door system. Nah, not because I'm slow, but I couldn't get the idea that how should I make the system. After that, I thought let's make a mission, but when I stared at my watch, it was midnight. The next day was the last day, so I quickly started to make a mission for the game. I thought to add a monster, but I didn't have time for the animation and the mechanics of the monster. So I decided a key that the player should find without freaking out. After that, I added a how to play button for beginners that don't even know that how to play a simple horror game. And by the way, there's also a red button which you could click and you would come up to a channel that you might subscribe. And finally, I fixed some gameplay of the game and published it to itch.io. You can play the game, and remember, it is just a demo, so you won't see hard missions. And if you have some ideas for this game, you can leave it in the comment section. And thank you for 150 subscribers. I know it's not a big number, but as when I started this YouTube channel, I didn't even expected a single subscribers. And Happy New Year from my side. Wish you luck in 2024. And our goal for this year is to reach the milestone of 1,000 subscribers. So click the subscribe button and goodbye.